Hey Jeff, this is Matt with Terry Hendricks Chrysler in Archibald, Ohio. I want to show you this 09 Dodge Ram here that we have for you that you were interested in. Here we go. Here it is. Just to give you a heads up, this is an as-is vehicle. Nothing promised, nothing owed on it. It's perfect for someone that just needs a car. There's quite a bit of rust in the bottom here. I want to be as transparent with you as possible about what this car looks like, you know. So I'll try to show everything that I can. Lot more rust back there. The front of it, or the back seat right there, does smell like someone smoked in it. Just to give you a heads up on that too, in case that's something that you don't want. I mean, for $4,000, won't be that bad of a vehicle for the right person that needs it. Front of it. Mirror has a bit of a ding on there. Let's open up the front seat on this side. Seats are, like I said, I want to be up front and as transparent as possible with this vehicle. I'll just go ahead and start it here so you can hear what it sounds like. That's not blinking. I don't know why it's doing that on the screen, but that is showing the correct time and the correct station that it's on. One of the tires looks a little low, but I think we can put some air in the tire. That is